welcome back to my channel. I am Messi in case you don't already know, and in today's video we're going to be trying out a synthetic wig I got from Amazon. So I don't know if it's just me, but I feel synthetic wigs are making their way back. I actually genuinely feel so. And the girlies on Instagram, on TikTok, they've been slaying. So today I'm going to be trying out the synthetic wig. I saw this wig first on Shalom Black, and then I went ahead to research it and I saw amazing reviews about it. So I'm like, let me try it, let me see how it comes out. So this is what it looks like. It's the Cloud9 Swiss lace wig. It's called Latisha. So they I guess the Swiss lace or the what lace brand have like different names. So this one is called Latisha, right? It's in the color 1. So I'm going to be trying that out for you guys today, and it's a 13x6 frontal. So I'm excited. I really want to see how this wig would hold up and how it will look on me, because baby, I really want to see it. So I'm just going to take it out the box. Do you know I have not seen this wig? I ordered this wig like last month, I think, and I've not even opened it because I just want to open it online with you guys. I just want to have like the first impression with you guys. I've not done anything with it. So it comes in this box. You saw me take off the nylon. So, oh, okay. Just gonna drop that there. Okay. Ow. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the pack. You can go ahead to see the curls right there. I'm impressed. It does feel synthetic, actually. It does feel synthetic, but it's very lightweight, in my opinion. I think it's very lightweight compared to other synthetic hairs I've tried. So let's go ahead and put it on and just see what it will give. I'm really curious. I have a mirror here. If you see me looking down here, I have a mirror to just kind of see what I'm doing. Oh my god. Okay, it's not bad actually. I just have to like kind of, you know, finesse it, but it's not bad. Ooh, I think his side parts will be so pretty. Oh my god, like this looks so pretty, guys. I think a side part too, but I wanted to do a center part. Now I'm confused, but the side part is giving and I look so pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead to just put it on without tweezing it. I don't really think the hairline is that bad. I think the hairline looks good. It's a bit full though, but I don't mind the full hairline, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install it this way. I'm looking at the hairline and it's actually okay. So you might want to go ahead and kind of tweeze it a little bit. I'm kind of trying to go for maybe an 80 blowout look. I don't know how it's gonna go, but let's see. All right, let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pin that up. Ooh. The next thing I'm going to just do, I'm just going to take some alcohol on a cotton pad, and then I'm just going to clean where I'm going to place my glue or my spray. Now that we've gone ahead to do that, I'm going to go in with my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond. I'm going to go in, this is the black one. It's the extreme hold. It's the extreme hold. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that down. I actually like spraying down my wigs now, like not on the wig but on my skin first. I just found out that worked better. I did that once when I was going out and it just worked better for me. I'm going in with another layer just to hold the wig down very well. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead. So you want to just do that until it's tacky, obviously. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull that in. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this lace is giving what? No, the lace is giving. I'm never gonna cap you on that. I mean, look at that. That was so super easy. I love it already. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna take my take home and then I'm just gonna spray some Ebin Wonder Lace spray on it and kind of just target this white. You're seeing the white lace, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and target that. So we're gonna take that just a little. Right, a little wrong. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead again with my elastic band and just kind of tie that down. Okay, take the elastic band off. No. No. I'm not happy. Alright, so I'm just using a baby wipe with a bit of alcohol to just get off the excess. I guess I didn't let it dry before I put on the elastic band. I thought it was dried, but I guess clearly not enough. Alright, so you just want to let this dry a bit before you go ahead to put the elastic band. Okay, so we're done with the... Ooh, I like it. I can't even lie. I like it a little bit too much, in fact. What? Sick. Prepare to be sick of me. Because what? Let me just define this part. Just give me a minute. Let me define this part. I hate having nails on. Oh my god. You just know I'm a Paco girl. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm living for it. But this is not even like my perfect side. This side is like my perfect side. Do you see that? You see it fits me more. So let me do this side. This side is like where my side pattern always hits the most. So I'm just going to use a white tooth comb and just kind of brush that out. I'm definitely trying to be careful. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. Okay, let me get in with my foundation and a little bit of foundation and a little bit of concealer to kind of define this pattern we've created. A bit of foundation. Does it match? Does it match? I think so. Yeah. Just a little bit of foundation on the lace. I hope that's... Sometimes this can go totally wrong where the lace becomes so obvious, but sometimes it can go very right. I don't know, I'm still figuring it out. So just gonna go ahead. So I just have a little bit of foundation, very tiny bit on it. So the trick is obviously making sure it matches your foundation you have on, and making sure, yeah, it kind of blends in. So I think I'm done. So I'm just going to go ahead and define this part. I think it's 2 down. This is what it's looking like so far. We've actually not really styled it, but I don't know if I should go ahead to thin it a little bit. Let's see. Just a little bit, right? Okay, lovelies, this is what the hair is giving right now. I've not done anything apart from just thinning it out. I went ahead to use my shear scissors to thin it out. I'm looking for it. Okay, so I just went ahead to use this scissors. I don't know if you can see it. The shearing scissors, I guess. So I just went ahead to kind of use that to kind of thin it out a bit, right? That's all I did. Then I went ahead with the big mouth comb and kind of just combed out the coils. All right, I could actually go ahead, from the reviews I saw, you can actually go ahead to kind of coil it with a coiling iron, but you just have to make sure the heat is really low. You put it in a medium heat to kind of do that. So but I'm not going to be doing that because we're not going to be doing anything extra. We just want to style this hair as it is, see what is given, and I really think it's giving what it should. So now I'm going to go ahead with my hot comb and kind of just flatten this out. I say you don't want to go in too hot. Remember, it's a synthetic wig. You don't want to go in too hot. So I have this just at 2. I don't know what you did. Good to me. Your body lightweight. Oh my god, it's so... I don't think I can sing that song normally anymore. Your body lightweight speaks to me. I don't know what I did. Dirty bed. So I'm not using the wax stick because I just feel it's synthetic. It might weigh the hair down. So that's why I'm not using a wax stick. But you can go ahead to try, but just make sure it's really little if you're going to use a wax stick. I didn't go ahead to use any because I don't think it will gel. I don't think it will go very well. The texture feels a bit different from your regular synthetic hair, to be honest. But like you can tell it's synthetic hair. But like looking at it, I don't think you can tell. But like when you touch it, you'll be like, it's in between kinky and synthetic. That's the texture I'm getting so far, but I love it. So this is it. So what I see most people do is they kind of cut it right here to just kind of balance the length. And honestly, I think the next time I wear it, I might go ahead to cut it a bit shorter. But I want to serve this hair as it is without doing too much styling, without doing like so much. I just want to serve it to you as it is, as it came. I'm just serving it directly with too much styling, right? So that's what we have going on. So lovelies, that's really it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this. I really hope you liked it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Is this a wig you'll be purchasing? I forgot to mention the price in the video. It's actually $56, but they have different colors, so the price kind of goes up. This is a color one, right? So but the price goes up as you choose different colors. That's what I discovered. But this was 56, I think 56 or 54, but I'm gonna put that right here for you to see. And I really think it's really nice for the price. It's giving bougie for the price. It's giving body on the budget. That's it, that's the word. It's giving body on the budget, and I love it. All right, thank you so much for watching the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Love you. Mwah. Bye.